What is going on, Otter Gang? Just a quick update here for you guys on the weekend. I know it's been going nuts. Look at Bitcoin dominance absolutely getting rocked right now. Ethereum absolutely flying off the wazoo, breaking down. We gave the long from down here. Oh my goodness gracious, let's go. Let's jump into the Bitcoin price action coming into our sell wall. Okay, so we were preparing for this very simple coming back within this range in here. So if we're looking at this was our point of control that we were looking to rotate into, and we have gotten that rejection, just giving us a little bit of a bearish divergence in here. So it should cause, a little bit of a retracement, possibly back down to 115. Not necessarily saying it's going to happen. I can see we do have strength in here in this range. We can see that we have put in some more volume down all the way down to like 116-ish area, 116.5. So we'll see if that wants to hold. If not, we look to rotate down to the value area low now of this entire range, back down to 115.6. Okay, looking through this, what we were looking for is to get above 117,000 for the weekly candle close. Okay, this would, in my mind, give us a very good strong close coming into this weekend. However, anything around this general area is going to be nice. Look at this beautiful candle. As we can see, price materializing over the weekend, up, down, all around, really scamming people out of their positions. But there's some altcoins absolutely going to the moon right now, and you guys know that we called Arrow and we were dollar cost averaging down on spot, and this thing has absolutely blown its lid, up 66%. Okay, we also had a multitude of calls on Sui, on Hype, and on Link. Okay, insane, absolutely flying off the wazoo. So doing TA on these right now, you're in up only mode. Now in our Discord, we do have up only training, so you guys can practice that, but be well aware that, in an up only environment such as this, you need to be really jumping on trend, but also managing your risk very, very, very diligently. Okay. Because, they're going to push on anything, right? They're going to push, but then you got to be, this is where you want to get in, obviously, but you want confirmation of the bounce. Okay, that's going to be critical to any sort of up-only trading. Okay, and we'll do a little bit of a up-only tutorial after this because, YouTube deserves some love too. So we're going to go through that alongside with Market Cypher right now. So looking at our 3-day, the 3-day with the VWAP crossover is something that we were looking at all week. Getting there, rolling upwards. This is looking very good. We're looking for a green dot to come into possibly Monday to Thursday, that general area, if we can start to roll upwards here. And then we look at the daily here, and we have pushed up to almost the zero line coming probably by Sunday. So looking for that weekly candle close to continue to push here. However, my concern is the VWAP here is a little bit overextended. Holding that zero line, though, on the stochastics general area is a very good sign of strength. So any higher low is welcomed with a trigger wave, anchor trigger wave, basic market cipher strategy, and lots of money to be made there. So this is looking really good. Let's go over and take a look at the 12-hour on this weekend here. And we were saying caution about, a potential trigger wave to the downside here. As long as we bounced off the zero line here with the VWAP and the money remained green, we would look for a continuation back upwards. Okay, so this is looking strong. Nonetheless, we do still want to see that bounce off the zero line coming into Sunday. Okay, that's going to be critical. The 8-hour money flow is looking juicy in the green with a little bit of a trigger wave here. So like we said, coming up to that point of control sell wall that we were interested in, getting a little bit of a rejection there, possibly breaking back down to that 115,500 area that we are interested in, calling that short pretty well going into the weekend as we had that push up here. Flipping through, our 4, our 3, our 2, our 1, it still looks, just this heavy bearish divergence is something that we should be concerned about. Watching this momentum to the upside, see if it does want to hold. However, this is still looking strong, very much in up-only mode, so be prepared for that. Let's take a look at ETH. ETH is where we can do the up-only trading with you guys. So if we're looking at up-only mode and how to trade it, we talk about this a lot, and there's a couple of tricks we share in the Discord. But it's very much like, how do you jump on trend safely, right? So for me and for the gang, we know that we're typically looking to retest previous highs, and then we're looking for retests of order blocks. Look at ETH absolutely ripping right now. So retests of highs, retest of highs, retest of highs, and continuation out. And you can see this happening over and over and over again, where this is actually very, very strong. But also, these retests are critical. So what you would wait for is as this thing is ripping right now. So you can see it is definitely pushing to the upside here. So you would be marking out this area in here for a potential buy zone, right? As price continues to rip here, you look for momentum to hold, right? And then you're just waiting for this thing to push. Let it push. Don't chase the candle, right? Let it come back in. That's where you're looking to buy. Stop loss below the low. And as you can see, when it's in this up-only mode, you can very much easily take advantage of the price action, right? It's a very simple strategy, but it does work quite effectively. So for example, you'd mark at this high in here, right? You'd be looking for that long, stop loss below the low, and possibly a 3-to-1, right? And then rinse and repeat all the way onwards and upwards. So you go high, okay, here, right? You'd be looking for price to push. Okay, it's pushing, okay, coming back in. Even in this situation here, as long as your stop loss is below that low, you're still making money on the way up here. A little bit of drawdown, who cares, right? Alongside with this one here, okay? And I just bring this up here and show you that, okay? So a very simple way of jumping on trend, and you're going to experience a lot of this in the bull run. So if you do want to jump on those tokens that are absolutely ripping and melting faces, this is typically how I would do it. Looking at Solana, same kind of deal here. We did give an amazing Solana long in our Discord. If you do want to join our Discord, it's in the link down below. But with Solana, breakout, retest, continuation trade. We also had this one down in here from the Discord. But absolutely melting faces. So that's an update for Bitcoin. Hopefully this helps you. We do see the dominance is dropping. This is a very, very good sign, okay? So getting below 60, looking to come to this 56% next, okay? USDT dominance, making a string of lower highs on the way down, looking to lose this 4.1% area, okay? Overall, generally looking pretty beautiful over the weekend. Make sure you're using good risk management. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.